sinasaktan sila ng asawa nila, and then suddenly she died.
So if I drop dead, you don't lose.
It doesn't tickle me anymore. Oh, I got you also, MaryAnn A. I got you, Anne. I got you. I said Hubs will be happy, Anne.
Good morning, Philippines!
Ayan guys, alas 6 ng umaga. Mga before 6 o'clock daw. Gising yung asawa ko very early. And then before 6 o'clock, walang kuryente. So ngayon, wala kaming kuryente. Ha? It's in the thing over there. Dito siya nagbo-boil ng tubig. Nilagyan ng foil para hindi masira. Kasi nakakasira ang tifal itong ginagamit niya. Wala kasi kaming ibang tawag nito. Mahangin-hangin din dito sa labas. What? Our wall over here. Keep doing this grilling here, it will get black.
Sure will.
Yeah, because we should be doing it there or the place that is like ang sakit ng puso ko, grabe. Eat you din. What a good girl. You eat you din, my love. What a good girl. You get it? Dada's right there in front of you. Call him on.
Papi, yappy, yappy.
That's Dada.
Papi, yappy, yappy.
That's Dada.
Papi, yappy, yappy. Pop it, up it. Pop it, up it, up it. It's funny.
Doon guys, yung bahay doon sa bundok, may bahay doon, di ba? Meron silang what is the Honda electric thing? Generator. They have generator. That house over there. So yun. And is it hot?
Let's bring you this one.
Seems like it's not hot. Taste it.
It's fine.
Hot?
Warm.
It's warm. It's warm. It's warm, so it's not hot. It's windy, B-boy. It's hot enough. But you put so much coffee in it.
I did not.
Yes, you did. I'm not you, hon. Meron akong i-share pala. Hindi lang ito, yung naisip ko lang ba. We're going to talk about life insurance, guys, ha? Early in the morning. Yun lang yung naisip ko na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Kapag pumunta kayo dito sa US, di ba you have to go for something training? No, it's not a training. I forgot, guys, di ba? When you receive your visa, you receive your passport, everything, you're ready to come here in the US, and then you have to go to the place that something, I don't know if I remember, guys, dili you see what's happening sa mga Pilipina na pumunta dito sa US. Some Filipina are, beaten by their husband, or some their husband killed them, and I don't know, it's not a training. It's not training. It's like just to show us what's happening. Some of the Filipinas are coming here. And when I came here, guys, I'm telling you what my story. When I came here, it's stuck on my head. Whatever I saw, those videos that Filipinas are sinasaktan sila ng asawa nila, and then kinuna ng insurance, and then hindi alam ng wife. The wife doesn't know that the husband get an insurance for her, and then suddenly she died, something like that. Stuck in my head what happened of those Filipinas. They told us that there are some cases it's just like that. So when Tommy always talking about, not Tommy, it's like this family, when I think it's very traditional here in the US, right, Han? That some people are doing life insurance with their kids, right?
Right.
Yeah, so life insurance here. And then I always heard about them having the insurance, the kids and stuff like that. Even Tommy have life insurance when he was a kid. I don't know, he was a baby. I don't know. It's like his parents get him life insurance. I'm against of life insurance, guys. Against talaga ako yun. As in, ayaw ko talaga ng life insurance kasi ang nasa isip ka, papatayin mo na lang ako at kukunin mo yung pera, ganyan-ganyan. Bakit ba? You know, you have to trust your partner, and then you really know the person that you're with before you do insurance. Just like me.
She's paranoid.
Because I have
Paranoid.
because
Paranoid.
there's a lot of cases and that we saw in the video that, you know.
Paranoid.
Did you see the news, honey? That the wife killed her husband in the boat because and then collect the life insurance. Are you serious? It's
Yeah.
not just paranoid, honey. It's just you have to think.
You were the one who wanted it when I was getting life insurance for me to protect you. You were like, well, what about me? I should get some too.
Okay.
You were the one who started that, so let's not.
Okay,
I
come
did
here.
it 'cause I
Let's talk.
trust him.
Let's talk. I don't tell him to get life insurance. He has. Meron siyang life insurance. He has a life insurance when he was a kid. And that one name to his mother. I don't tell him to get life insurance for me, la 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 la, nothing. I don't tell
No,
him
you
that.
didn't tell me to get it for you.
He just did it because we got a house. And he doesn't, you know, I don't know why he does it. And it just,
So if I drop dead, you don't lose the house.
they lose the house.
See how that works?
And listen, and then I decided, because you know he doesn't tell me to get life insurance for you, nothing. I decided to get mine. It's cheap, guys. You pay once a year. How much? 200?
Yours is cheap. Mine is very expensive.
Yeah, his is expensive, and mine is cheap. How much is it? 100 only, right? Mine.
No, yours is 200 something.
Yeah, and
Very cheap.
no, I mean to get it, the life insurance.
200 something a year.
No, I mean I'm talking about the policy. Like you get like 300,000.
Yeah.
And it's 200 something a year, so it's not expensive. So I said I'm gonna get it, you know. I'm gonna get it because, you know, we don't really know what's gonna happen. And then I love him and I trust him, and because part of it is you trust your partner and you believe that he's a good person. It's really the part of it, guys. And you know, you have,
And it's not really a serial killer.
yeah.
Woohoo.
Some people are like against it. I was against it. You have to go for exam, right, or something?
Yes, I do. You didn't have to.
Because he is older and he is smoker, and
That's why it's so expensive. The smoker.
it's expensive. And then also, guys, it's also they send their own people, right, to your
Yeah.
house,
Yeah.
to the house, to check him up, do his blood thing and everything, to do everything, you know, to check him up. Is that a real doctor?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a
Well,
real,
it's a registered nurse.
a registered nurse. Check him up, check everything, guys. Like, but there is another guy. It's a doctor interviewing us,
Hmm.
and then after
No, he's a salesman.
that, a salesman.
Yes.
Okay. And then it's a woman come and check everything to him, guys. She take your blood, right?
Yeah.
But she doesn't did me.
No.
How
You're
much?
you're very young. Your medical history will tell more.
Especially if you have kids, and that's the only thing I can say. If you have
Well,
kids,
More important if you have kids, obviously.
very important, guys. If you have kids, you know, it's just you don't have to name it to your husband. You have to name it to your kids. If you have your kids and you kind of like doesn't trust your husband, name it to your kids. And it's really it's good for your kids in the future if God forbid happen. Even if the kids are getting bigger, right, the kids still get it, right?
Yeah, makes no difference.
It makes no difference. Okay, so that's the life insurance, guys, that I can say about it. This is nice. Cleaner. No tickle. It doesn't tickle me anymore. Because it doesn't tickle me anymore. No tickle words. We play in bed. Not playing like what you think, guys. We play like, you know, laughing, and then I can't stop laughing. I'm so loud in the night. He doesn't do it to me anymore. He tickles my feet. He tickles my armpit. Not anymore. Tickle me.
Huh?
Tickle me. Tickle me.
All right, now thank you, honey.
She changed, guys. Now I have a life insurance. She changed. How many years that we have life insurance, man?
I don't know. How many years we have the house?
2 years,
We
guys.
got it with the house. Oh.
You want me to leave you? That you can money yourself?
Who?
Moody yourself.
What is Moody?
You can just think and fly away your mind somewhere out there in the mountain with a bird, with a peacock. Finally, we have a kuryente na. We have a kuryente na. We have a kuryente na. If my husband know how to close the refrigerator. Busy guy is cooking for breakfast.
You see it raining hard?
Yeah. It's hard. I guess I'm gonna wear my
I mean,
raincoat.
small rain, but coming down very hard.
Okay guys. Hanap muna kami guys ng ano, pang cleaner ng tainga. Yes, hanap kami. Kasi wala talaga na ako guys. Kailangan kong
1 second voicemail, that's not a real voicemail.
this is makeup thing. This is not for this is for the nails. No, it's this different. It looks like yeah, but this is look. It's bigger space. The one that you have there is like little teeny tiny
It's
space.
both. No, it's not. Well,
Andito kami sa sasakyan guys. And grabe itong CVS ang taas ng receipt ng CVS. Sobrang taas guys. Pero ang andito is 25% off, 2% off, 10%, 2%, another 3%, another 3%, 3%, and then 10%, 8%, 2%, 3%. Kaloka naman ito. Gusto ko na ipaputol ko na tong buhok ko guys. Ipaputol ko na ito dito kasi ano na, sasabayan ko na lang si Tammy pag magpaputol siya ng buhok kasi para maputol na din ito kasi sobrang taas na eh. It is a long, long time ago in Bethlehem.
it's already paid. And I got $135 credit because they build the credit card, and then they give me the credits.
They did give you credit already?
So she said I got $135 credit on the account.
Charge you.
Well, they always send you the bill anyway,
Yeah.
but they automatically. I told her I didn't know if they automatically. I know they automatically charge your credit card for the oil and the gas.
Yeah.
I didn't know if the service work or just something different.
Okay, that's good. The men's room. What is the men's room?
I don't know.
It's a Riyadh. We're going home.
See what we're doing for lunch. Maybe I'll stop and pick up. I don't know. Maybe I'll stop at ShopRite.
Shop right?
Yeah.
Why not over
I have to pick up stuff for lunch for tomorrow anyway.
Yung binili pala namin guys is wala na akong alib kasi di ba pag may ano ako alib yung ginagamit ko. Alib, I'm going to introduce your product. I'm using alib. Is going home. He got something from ShopRite and he's very good today. I thought he will carry like the cart is full of bags, but he actually I'm surprised that he only carried 3 bags. Very good, hubby.
Yeah.
And he got me, said, oh, I got you also, I got you one day, you got you. I said, Hubs will be happy on day. My Hubsy vlog is special.
Then he sits at the door.
Huh?
Sits at the door like this. While you're eating outside.
Yeah. Vegetables. Hiwain ko ito. And then, i-grill natin yan mamaya. And also, ito din, gulay na yan, di ba? Magkakaroon ko ng sweet potato, and then shrimp dyan. Frozen yan. I-grill ko yan. Isi-season ko lang siya, guys. Lagyan ko ng asin at saka pepper. And then, i-grill ko siya. Yun, i-grill ko siya. Yung ano pala, yung shrimp natin, dito siya sa ziploc bag, nilagay ko. And I added oil. Nilagyan ko siya ng oil. I add oil, salt, freshly grind peppercorn, and also garlic powder. And yun lang. At saka minimix ko siya para yung nilagay ko para ano talaga sa kanya ba, para magkalasa talaga yung shrimp. So yun. So, yun ang ginagawa ko.
Whose signature is that? Mine. So you pay Mr. Davis $1,000 to send that email to Larry Tower. Why? I don't know. Got 2 hours before he killed himself. Did you want to push him off the edge?
You wanted me to let him upstairs.
Then why would you
No,
send
he's
him
in the laundry area.
No. Then why?
I'll sound like here.
Laundry area. I'll get him. What do you want? Di just ginoo ko, Lord. Come here. Come to mom. Come here. I will carry you. Come here. What a baby talaga ito, guys. Oh, tignan mo naman ito. Oh. Look at this dada. Tell me,
Videoing violence has a horrifying potential to promote acts of violence against real
tignan niyo,
victims
guys. Ang cute,
and
cute.
desensitize children.
No, you cannot leave now. Grilling na naman. Walang katapusang grilling time. Vegetables yung ginigrill ko ngayon. Tignan nyo naman. May nilagay ko kasi gusto kong lagyan ng ano, guys. Kasi parang ano. Pero wala na kasi isa lang kaming ganito. So, nilagay ko na lang dito yung iba. At saka dito yung shrimp. Ilalagay ko yan last. Para naman ano siya ba. Nag-harvest na sila doon ng ano, guys. Oh. Apple. Yung mga tao doon nag-harvest na ng apple. Yun doon. He's tired, guys. I feel bad for my little baby. Cook really fast. Tignan nyo. Oh, really fast. Oh. Yan, guys. Tapos na, guys. Malapit na. Ang shrimp is kinukook ko na siya. What Tommy doing? He's in the garage. So, yan. Malapit nang matapos itong grilling ko. Ang shrimp is din malapit na din. Asin, lagyan natin ng asin. Roxy, Dada's leaving. Dada will be right back. Dada will be right back. Tignan niyo. Yan. Grilling vegetables and shrimpies. Seriously. He loves it. His face. Dimples? No, he wants to know.
Of course he does.
He wants to know what his sister
I
doing.
want to go play with her. He never sits with me.
How about me? I sit with you.
Yeah, he never does. Even if I pick him up, usually he just climbs on my shoulder.
Umalis na sila. And, yep, ako na lang dito at saka yung mga babies namin. And, yeah, suiin ko na to. It's 8:30 na ng gabi. Naghihintay lang sa akin. Papunta kaming taas. I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you all guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye! Good night, guys. Good night. Good night.